Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the ultimate technique that is going to help you manifest literally anything that you want in your life. And it's extremely simple. This technique here really is the core essence of raising your vibration, raising your consciousness and your awareness so that you can let go of attachment and fear that blocks you and causes you to self-sabotage yourself whenever you're trying to get what you want in your life. So if there's something in your life that you want to have, that could be more money in your business, that could be a new boyfriend or girlfriend, could be better health, whatever you want. Normally, what prevents us from having it is when we are attached to the thing that we want. When we are in a state of consciousness that is separate from God, we're in an egotistical state of consciousness where we have this attachment, where we don't feel happy, we don't feel satisfied, we feel like our fulfillment relies on an external circumstance. So you feel like unless I have more money in my business, I won't be happy. Or unless I get this girl to like me, I won't be happy. I need this thing to make me happy. So whenever we're in an egotistical state of consciousness, that creates fear, lack, and neediness, and it is impossible to get what you want from this state of consciousness because the thing that you want is too important to you. You've placed it on a pedestal, and that actually separates you from it and actually repels it from you, and instead of attracting it to you. So the technique, what we're trying to do is we're trying to be aware of whenever we're worrying about anything at all. And what we want to do is we just want to actually surrender completely to this present moment, almost as if you're jumping out of an airplane and you're just in complete free fall. There is nothing that you're holding on to at all. So you let go of worrying about your business. You let go of worrying about your schoolwork. You let go of worrying about what this girl thinks of you or what this guy thinks of you. You let go of worrying about any kind of social obligations that you have. You just completely drop them. And whenever they try to arise again in your mind, you drop them again. Adam, okay, great, sounds all poetic and nice what you're saying, but how do I actually do this? When you're meditating, I want you to imagine that your body is rotting away. I want you to imagine that you're literally either on your deathbed or you're already 6 feet deep in the floor and you're dead. Now, many people might be afraid of doing this. Many people don't want to visualize death. Death is something that we think is bad or scary. But I want you to realize death is not bad. In fact, death is one of the greatest things that exists because death is what allows for life to exist. If there was no death, then there would be no life. What it means to be alive is that you're going to die. That's what makes life important. That's what tempers your life. See, people who aren't connected to their death, they don't value and honor their life. They don't live excellent lives. They just piss all their time away. So in this meditation, not only do I want you to think about your death, I want you to actually visualize it. I want you to actually imagine right now, in this moment, I'm rotting away. This is my last moment. I'm dying. You see, I've been literally visualizing like cockroaches eating my flesh, and mold and bacteria literally decomposing my body. This is so freeing, because now that you are literally dead, or that you're literally dying, the worst thing, the root of fear is the fear of death. That's the most powerful fear. That's where all fear stems from, the fear of death. And that ultimately stems from you thinking that you can die, you thinking that you're a separate entity. Now that you're visualizing that your body is dead, now you're free to just completely surrender every worry that you have. See, when you're dead, when you're dying, you don't have to worry about your business anymore. You don't have to worry about your family. You don't have to worry about your social reputation. You don't have to worry about not having enough food. You don't have to worry about going to school. You don't have to worry about anything at all, because you're a fucking corpse. And this visualization helps you to surrender, because it helps you to realize that this body isn't mine. It's not who I am. And even though this body's dying, it kind of tempers your awareness, where we're visualizing worst case scenario in life. For many people, we think the worst case scenario is to be dead. But if you can kind of visualize that, then that's like pure happiness. Because we were visualizing the worst case scenario, but then you realize that even when you're dying, you're still here. Even when you're dead, you're still just pure awareness. This kind of helps to reveal your true self. Your true self is that thing that will continue even after the body dies, because it's made of pure nothingness, just pure awareness. It's made of just nothingness, and nothingness is actually equivalent to selflessness. There's no self at all. That's what you are. You're free from self. And this is ultimate abundance, because there's no fear. You see, when you realize how selfless you are, you're not afraid of anything. There's nothing to be afraid of. And that's the ultimate abundance. Because when you realize that there's nothing to be afraid of, nothing bad will ever happen to you, now you can take fearless action. This is extremely attractive. You can go up to the prettiest girl at the club, the 10 out of 10 supermodel, and realizing that you're God, realizing you have nothing to lose, that you're already dead, and that life and death are actually the same thing, and that even if this girl spits in your face or gets so scared of you, she just like takes out a knife and stabs you in the heart, like whatever guys, the worst case fear that guys have talking to pretty girls. When you realize that you don't have to be afraid, because nothing can harm you, your awareness, nothing can harm that. Some people say, well, Adam, but what do you mean nothing can harm me? You got to understand, you're not the body. You are like just the self. You just have to get it. Like I can't explain. You just have to get, you're the self. You're not the body. You're the awareness. You're empty. When you realize that you're not afraid of anything, you can walk right up to that girl and be full of love and playfulness. You're not taking yourself seriously. You're not taking her seriously. You're joking around, smiling, you do stupid stuff, whatever. Hey, you're cute. Can I, like just like whatever, right? Like you can do whatever you want. Same in your business. You're not anxious and worried about signing up clients or making deals. You just do it effortlessly. Like, it's not a big deal. You're already dead. So there's no self-interest that's left. It's just pure selflessness. This is how you manifest. So ultimately, it's twisted. So we talk about manifesting whatever you want. The ultimate way to manifest whatever you want is to realize that you will still be happy even if you don't have it. And then you can relinquish the need to have it. When you don't need to have the thing that you want anymore, like literally, I'm speaking literally, like you might say, well, Adam, well, I want more money. Like, I need money to live. If I don't have money, I'm gonna die. Yeah. If you can be happy dying, then that's ultimate abundance, because you don't need the money anymore. Like, you're just down to die. Like, you're good. You understand? Like, even if you don't get the money, you'll still be fine. Even if you starve to death, you'll still be good. You'll still be fucking the source of existence. And you're timeless and immortal and infinite. And like, there's nothing to worry about. Like, you're fine. You can do whatever you want. That's ultimate abundance. And that's really, from that place, when you come from that place where you're just really, really non-needy, and you're coming from a place of, it's not about me anymore. I don't need anything. I'm showing up to see what can I give to this person? What can I give to the world? It's not about me anymore. I'm already dead. I don't need anything. I'm good dying. I don't need anything else. Now it's just about what can I give? And also, how can I just play around and just enjoy the beauty of existence? And it's from that place where you can let go of literally everything and surrender completely to God. Not surrendering a little bit, not surrendering 99%. You have to surrender 100%. And from that place, when you don't need even one thing at all, you are that which needs nothing. When you realize that you are that which needs nothing, not even air, then you can have everything. And that's all I wanted to say. If you like this video, guys, I have another video called How to Practice Surrender. Check out that video. It's going to help you a lot with this practical process of how do I actually surrender, and also what are some of the practical benefits of learning how to surrender. It's an awesome video. Check that one out if you like this video and you want to learn more about how to surrender. And that's all I got to say here, guys. I'll see you in the next one.